We all enjoy the convenience of fast food, but many popular menu items contain ingredients that may surprise you. Today, I'm breaking down 7 concerning additives hiding in your favorite meals and why they might be harmful to your health. 1. MSG, monosodium glutamate. Where it's found: fried chicken, burgers, soups, chips, seasoned fries, and many flavor-enhanced items. Why it's used: enhances flavor and creates that addictive umami taste. Potential health concerns: can cause headaches, flushing, and sweating in sensitive individuals, known as Chinese restaurant syndrome. Studies suggest it may contribute to obesity by affecting leptin resistance and hunger signals, often hidden under different names like hydrolyzed vegetable protein, autolyzed yeast, or natural flavors. 2. Titanium dioxide. Where it's found: white sauces, salad dressings, coffee creamers, powdered donuts, certain candies. Why it's used: makes foods appear whiter and brighter. It's the same compound used in sunscreen. Potential health concerns: can cause gut inflammation and damage intestinal barrier function. May interfere with digestion and nutrient absorption. Banned in food throughout the European Union since 2022. Still widely used in American fast food chains. 3. Propylene glycol. Where it's found: soft drinks, ice cream, frozen desserts, salad dressings. Why it's used: maintains moisture and prevents products from drying out. Carrier for flavors. Potential health concerns: also used in antifreeze and industrial products. Can cause irritation to the digestive tract. May contribute to kidney and liver issues with long-term exposure. Has been restricted in food in some countries. 4. High fructose corn syrup, HFCS. Where it's found: soft drinks, desserts, sauces, breakfast items, burger buns. Why it's used: cheaper alternative to sugar, extends shelf life. Potential health concerns: linked to increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and fatty liver disease. Processed differently than regular sugar, potentially leading to increased fat storage. May increase hunger and cravings through effects on hormones like leptin and insulin, found in nearly 60% of all fast food menu items. 5. Sodium aluminum phosphate. Where it's found: pancakes, biscuits, processed cheese, baked goods. Why it's used: leavening agent and stabilizer. Potential health concerns: aluminum compounds have been associated with neurological effects. Some studies suggest potential links to Alzheimer's disease risk. Can accumulate in the body over time with regular consumption. Often unlisted clearly on fast food nutritional information. 6. Artificial trans fats. Where it's found: fried foods, pie crusts, cheap baked goods, some burger buns. Why it's used: extends shelf life, improves texture, cheaper than healthier alternatives. Potential health concerns: increases LDL, bad cholesterol, while decreasing HDL, good cholesterol. Significantly raises risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Banned in many countries including the US, but still appears in fast food through loopholes. Listed as partially hydrogenated oils in ingredients. Even small amounts, 1 to 2 gene per day, can increase health risks. 7. Sodium nitrite and nitrate. Where it's found: bacon, ham, deli meats, hot dogs, pepperoni. Why it's used: preserves meat color, prevents bacterial growth, extends shelf life. Potential health concerns: when heated at high temperatures, can form nitrosamines, known carcinogens, associated with increased colorectal cancer risk. May contribute to inflammation in the digestive tract. Often found in breakfast sandwiches and meat toppings in fast food. While occasional fast food consumption is unlikely to cause immediate harm, regular exposure to these ingredients may contribute to long-term health issues. Being aware of what's in your food empowers you to make better choices. Consider checking ingredient lists online before ordering, choosing simpler menu items, or preparing more meals at home where you control the ingredients.